To run Windows Update Troubleshooter in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Set Menu icon, and then click or tap Settings. Select Update and Security, and then select Troubleshoot. Click or tap Additional Troubleshooters, and then select Windows Update. Resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows. And then click or tap Run the troubleshooter. Allow the troubleshooter to run and then answer any question on the screen. If you see a message that no changes or update were necessary, you can try recovery options or find out more about Outlook error code and upgrade and installation error code. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.